Eve ThermoPulse therapy system is a safe, effective, and non-drug route to pain-free periods. With Eve, heat and pulse can either be applied individually or in combination with each other. Using heat and pulse in combination leads to most effective pain relief. Heat works by easing the painful cramps of the uterus, while pulse produces a gentle massage-like pulsating sensation to activate body's own natural defenses against pain. Let's see how it works. Eve is a portable device and can be worn invisibly under clothing when you're on the move. It can be worn flexibly on both lower abdomen and lower back regions. The Eve TPTS kit comes with an Eve ThermoPulse therapy system, a detachable anti-migration belt, a battery charger, and a water spray bottle. How to wear Eve? Insert the belt through the belt loop and close the Velcro strap. Spray a small amount of water on the back side of Eve. When you wear Eve, the special conductive material must touch your skin. Take the belt around your waist. Take it out of the loop on the other side and secure it in place with the Velcro strap. Eve TPTS is now placed in position on the lower abdomen to relieve period pain. Eve's bidirectional strapping mechanism provides perfect conformance and ensures that Eve stays in place while you move around freely. You can tighten or loosen the belt from both sides by adjusting the Velcro strap. Eve ThermoPulse therapy system is intended only for the lower abdomen and the lower back areas of the body, as these areas are most affected by period pain. Eve must be worn under clothing and must touch the skin. Pulse therapy will not work if Eve is not in direct contact with the skin. Do not touch the conductive material with bare fingers when operating in pulse mode. We'll now see how to use the heat therapy controls. Switch on heat therapy by pressing the power on/off button. Two settings of heat therapy are available: high up to 42 degrees Celsius and low up to 38 degrees Celsius. When heat therapy is switched on, by default, the system starts in the last heat level setting selected by the user. By pressing on this toggle button, the user can switch between the high and the low settings. Both temperature settings are safe, optimal, and clinically verified. Within 2 minutes, you will start feeling a soothing warm sensation. When you lift the flap, the charging point and two LED indicators are revealed. Power on/off indicated by white LED, high indicated by orange LED, and low indicated by no light. Pressing the power on/off button again will switch off heat therapy and the white LED will stop glowing. We'll now see how to use the display and controls for pulse therapy. Switch on pulse therapy by long pressing the power on/off button. Power on is indicated by digits appearing on the LCD display. Long pressing this button again will switch off pulse therapy. Select the desired mode of pulse therapy by pressing the mode button. Mode C, continuous. This is a constant output that produces a continuous sensation. Mode E, easy. This is a constant output with a different pulse width. It will feel less strong than mode C. Mode P, pulse. This mode produces a pulsating feeling as it contains a burst signal. Mode P has the advantage of achieving, for a prolonged period of time, ongoing residual pain relief after pulse therapy has been switched off. Try all the 3 different modes to determine the one which suits you the best. By default, pulse therapy would always start in last selected mode in 0 intensity. For example, if mode E was selected when you last used pulse therapy, by default, E00 would be selected the next time you use it. To change to another mode, press the mode button. The intensity level reverts to 0 each time the mode is changed. This is a safety feature of the Eve TPTS to prevent sudden exposure to unaccustomed higher intensities of different modes. The plus button is used to increase the intensity. Each time this button is pressed, the intensity will increase by 1 level. Pulse therapy has 15 levels of intensity. A gentle sensation would be experienced at the lowest setting. Keep pressing this button until the sensation is strong yet comfortable. We recommend starting at intensity levels 1 to 3. As your body accommodates to the feeling, you might have to keep increasing the intensity. The minus button is used to decrease the intensity. Each time this button is pressed, the intensity will decrease by one level till it finally reaches 0, the lowest level. At 0, you will not be able to feel any pulse. How to use pulse therapies on the lower back? You can switch on heat therapy and set it to the desired mode prior to wearing it on the lower back. Pulse therapy mode and intensity should be set only after Eve is worn on the lower back. Now we will see how to locate the pulse therapy controls while Eve is worn on the lower back. Locate the LCD frame with your finger and use this as a reference point for locating the other controls. The pulse therapy on-off button lies towards the upper left-hand side of the LCD frame. The pulse therapy mode button lies towards the lower left-hand side of the LCD frame. The plus button, used to increase the pulse intensity, lies towards the upper right-hand side of the LCD frame. The minus button, used to decrease the pulse intensity, lies towards the lower right-hand side of the LCD frame. Getting used to your new Eve is a breeze. Eve will ensure that you lead an active and pain-free life. For more information on new Eve TPTS, log on to www.eveachieve.com or call 91 888 555 0635.